I wake up this morning to a comment from Tammi and Queen B. Queen B, I don't know where you get your community. You're more old school than me. And with the little girl, I don't know why you're always everybody go on people platform. Anybody say they not go on people platform, I lie them I tell every blogger go. This is why I say them a hypocrite when they say people over. Me go on people platform. Yes, me go on people platform. I'm not telling you say I don't go. Worse if them attack something where you like a joke or so, we turn over there. Or if them attack them life, something more for inspire, I will see it over there. Now, when you put the comment, and I don't know, Kevin say most of the time when me say the little baby, I like if Miss Claudia we carry her to school or when Tammi posts her up. And I definitely, Miss Claudia is doing she told her, and I never hear, because I say I never hear she talk, she talk out of the way to Miss Claudia. But the video where you make the comment under is this. First of all, let me tell you something. Everybody grow them child in a them own way. You know my last son, you know what him call me? Him don't call me mommy. My other two kids them call me mommy. Him don't call. Actually, my daughter call me mommy. My 18-year-old son call me ma, and him call me Janice. Janice him call me. Him do not. That's everybody say, but it's strange. Him do not call me mommy. Janice him call me. Now, I don't have a problem with that. I do not have a problem with that because my name is Janice. I never say the little baby or the little girl because she make 5 months yesterday or day before yesterday, happy birthday. I never say the little girl be very disrespectful. I never say. When she see her sister and her sister like thing there, I watched the video and didn't say anything inappropriate. And when you went over there, and Jennifer, let me tell you something. You need, I'm not going to say you need to stop, I'm going to tell you. You're very mischievous, but you're also, you're this type of person whenever time you feel like, you hurt people, you don't take people or people. You say something and somebody is not happy with it, you keep on rub it in, and that's not okay. Now, for all who know Tammi 1 or 2 times I see her on page, me personally is not a fan of her. But when she said, and she put up the something, Jennifer, I put it up on my page. But you never did have to come over here because then you're going to get me like you want to drop me in a bangarang, and Jennifer, nobody can get me in a bangarang. You're going to share it out and you're going to write a letter to Tammi. If Tammi don't feel good about what you do and she answer you, Jennifer, all you're wrong. Because I said this is a child, and guess what? And I'm not for gas station, and if them find it, if she find it comfortable, if Miss Claudia or Miss Claudette find it comfortable with the little girl, or the little girl talk to them, which again, me never hear she talk to them no way out of the order. Yeah, that is not your business. That is not your business. Because I say, for me, I'm gonna say this. A child must not grow on the internet. Meaning that, okay, you have your platform, because if you have your page, or your child make birthday, your child grade, but I don't think a child need to be used as content. I call it exploiting, but each to their own. me not have nothing to say. And Jennifer, sometimes you know you have nothing to say because to say your words will not go nowhere. Just take a look and you see. And if you look on little Joshie, the other day I say my 2 cents, I said that was really wicked and cruel because the little boy have to hear, like left the little boy, it is up to him and everything, and say one thing and who for threaten who and who for talk and who for this and who for that. But me put that behind me because I say at the end of the day, nothing not gonna be done. The person that can do something is Dana. Whether she gonna do it or she wanna do it, that's her problem. Only Joshua me say my 2 cents enough to say me will forever say it is wicked. So Jennifer, best you just leave certain things alone. Leave it alone. This blogging thing a lot of people don't understand. You're gonna have your space. You still have to give people them space because they say people have this in their mind. Let me tell you something. You know when I notice everybody I go say and I hear another blogger say it. This blogging thing it reached to bullying and it pesting. It reached to bullying and it reached to pesting. Blogging back in the name of blogging, Dana have been bullied, dragged and her family for 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and even 1 year. This blogging thing make other bloggers have been dragged and because I just cannot understand how somebody gonna get up and take 1 year and write somebody 1 year. Think about this blogging thing make this thing be get some mean, you know, like when the other day at school and you have some real mean picnic, mean and selfish. Nobody consider about anybody's state of mind. Nobody consider about anybody's family. Nobody consider about anything. Nobody not take nobody not take this thing in a consideration. All them take into consideration are then YouTube and then Facebook and then TikTok money. It was brought to my attention that you have all blogger on social media. We have 2 YouTube page, too much Facebook, and 1 time on TikTok, and went to all 7-5 for it sitting on phone and tablet in front of them. For what? For what? For what? Nobody no respect nobody private life. And because I say, let me tell you something. I agree, let me tell you something, and I'm going to say this, and I'm going to use Curly for your example. I don't feel that social media needs to know everything. I don't feel that social media needs to know everything. I don't feel that. But on the other hand, if somebody feel like so them want to give content or them want them just living them life, them don't care. Me just don't feel like so me get up months and years and come talk about nobody for make. Because when the person they gone me not gonna have no view. Me not supposed to build, that's why I say me not build my platform for one. Me supposed to can come out and talk and big up everybody. It is getting too much and it is getting too out of control. Too much, too out of control. Because we all know everybody have them platform, but sometimes, Jennifer, you need to start avoiding things. Avoid confrontation, avoid problem. You don't have to type on people platform. You do not have to type. You do not have to type. Because in truth and in fact, Jennifer, nobody no know nothing about you out here, but you cannot go around and harass or molest people like that. Them a go tell you when are nice. You might you argue, disagree with it, everybody, but leave it, no, leave it. All you want to know, you grow your kids different. You only want to know you grow for your picnic different. Because when you have a problem, my taste, and when you have a problem with me, I not have any problem. Because a lot of time, people draw me attention. Why you make him call you Janice? I say because of Janice my name. If them have them own opinion, me have mine. Him feel comfortable calling me Janice and my name Janice. Mommy no mark by my birth paper. So if him feel comfortable calling me Janice, I accept that. While other people are saying no, them never did gonna make that. But each of them own. Maybe what is disrespect for you is not disrespect for that, for Miss Claudia is not disrespect for Tammy. So you never did have to say anything because I know bad word. Because that's why I put up the live. That's why I listen to it. I know bad word the little girl. She leaned down on her sister. Big people see people and hug up and all sort of something. So I know say them did naked. I don't see nothing inappropriate with that. Sometimes we have to just learn to let go things. Just learn to let go. You can't every minute you hear Jennifer naming or something. Every minute you hear Jennifer naming or something. You know look good man. Every minute this is one year and leave it alone. You know you have fear pitney and you go fear pitney how you want it. Miss Claudia go grow her because you have to say Miss Claudia pitney go grow her like how she want it. Tammy they go put thing that if Tammy find what she do and Tammy want post it up on her page to make content, that's the them problem. We cannot do anything about it. Just let go certain things. So you might tell you something, a lot of time unnecessary war go on. A lot of time unnecessary war go on. And you see some people must just ignore. Because you see look from last week, this thing here with Joshy. I gotta tell you something. I hear the late Miss D say a word, you see, and I'm gonna say this. And this is why I don't want nobody tell me say. But me tell you, I think me you know that joke here already. I have one lady in my phone. Live in Canada. Alright. One day, the lady always come over here and one day I go up on one platform and I tell her so I have to click on and look if a fake page and run. I say I get thing there and see the woman. It's not commenting on the woman write a letter about me. So what me do now, you know, people, me no black her same time. I do one black her. Me did have to digest it. Me wait about 2 days, then my black her. And my black her, she call me upon one phone. Then me see one of that caller come in and she ask me why my black her. I go and let me know so she black. One day I say, you know, I call her for the fun night. Go and let me know how me look. That time the woman give me one nether name. Yes, when I go look on the nether name, I see the nether name on one platform. And when I see the nether name on the platform and the platform very disrespect me, me like the comment. Me click on it and like it. From that, me no hear from the woman again. Me up to what you me pass WhatsApp and me see me look and say you dirty fucker you. See me say you dirty fucker you. So me tell you something. You will always find people. And Jennifer, You keep away. Your blog, and you go on. Tap walk, me not tell you for no walk. Tap up and people come comment section. Go make mischief with them. Worst when you and them and a friend. If you have somebody talk, it is good. You and the person talk say something that you can call them. But you don't know them and you want to blog, you blog as long as you blog respectfully. And you go about your business. You blog and you go on. It's like, let me tell you something. The other day, me hear misdeed ball out to one of them, you know. When me tell them, say, no, they're not loyal, they're not interested. After ball out and say she can't believe, so they say they love her. Well, me see you, I hope you wake up to the coffee, come me tell you something, say. And everybody honest enough to come out and tell us, me tell you, misdeed, me like you as a sister, black woman, sister from God. Me have one heart, my mother and my father still alive, and my kids them. Me can't take up my heart and go give you mistake. Me cannot, because I say if you're wrong, me I go say you're wrong. If you're right, me I go take your right and give you wrong. And that's what happened to a lot of people. It's just like when I did come out here and say, leave all of the small kids them. Leave all of the kids them. Actually we feel leave people family out of it. But since we cannot, at least have the decent to leave little kids out of it. And little kids meaning every little kids. Every little kids. And when I said that live, I don't know if I'm going to say I get a beating. All sort of unscrupulous serpent came up and couldn't say what me did I talk about, and now it reach, and that's why a lot of people cannot talk. They can only watch in disbelief, because when me did say to leave the picnic them alone, leave the little baby them alone, make them survive, them have to go to school, them have to face tomorrow, social media never forget, leave the picnic them alone. Nobody never want to leave them, because everybody did feel to say okay, and that the one they picnic, and that the one there, and nobody never have anything to say, and nobody never have anything to do. Because all poor Josh ain't nothing of them bang around here. Josh is supposed to get ready now for the work. When they call the CXC down the no toots, no toots are over here. GSAT. Josh is now supposed to get 9 years for go to GSAT. The little time when mother have done the thing, because by your look, Miss D done be a traffic of coffee fly out for go do our birthday. So the little time when the woman forget, them decide to them go come and poor Joshy. I'm me telling you something. Sometime and every time we entertain, me know it at for entertain and entertain, because let me tell you something, a lot of people, heartless people out here. A lot of heartless people we call themselves mother. You know me not like with people. You see when time me and Panty, don't hear me say from when time the day. You see when me hear Panty, the 8th of March, Women's Day 2024, come out and the panel live, and me go over there and him tell me say tap talk up, and me send him one voice note. And me say, and when me look and say, you hear what me say? You say anyhow, what me say, and I will forever say this. I don't care what nobody want to say. Stacey can blame on somebody. Stacey just come out and talk and go on. Stacey and somebody way in a bangarang. She don't in a no bangarang. And when me hear Stacey name, me say no. Remember me tell you say you would never get, him would never get a forward from me, because me say me wrong. If me never did, all when me hear them, they tell lie for me. All when he go take up the live and play and say a voice note, because they get to with Lady V. Me say, anyhow me never mix up with him, he couldn't tell no lie for me. Anyhow me never did a mix up with them, he couldn't care on him nose matla come out, you can't tell a lie for me. But if me never did mix up, he couldn't did rise up the big sow, the big cow, Sonia Miller, for him call course, he can't tell a lie for me. When me see my go on too much now, and that's when I come in and say, come up, in it. Until when time I book him, come I must book him. Me must, when me tell us me not depend on yes, but me Ashanti must book 1 hour. Me and Ashanti must book 1 hour. And if I even when me turn Christian, if I ever the Bible me I use and box him. So me and him must book. So me not yes for him. For she. So all when time I see them come out and them attack, when me did say leave the picnic them alone. Leave them alone. Leave the kids them alone. We see where it casts. And it is very evil. It is very evil. You know me notice with them. When them do anything and them hurt people feeling, them I go say they not do nothing. They not do nothing. They not do nothing. Cause kill panty dead over there and me do it. When me hear all panty say poor me call Chris. I sound lie with that little nasty girl sit down over there with her 40 syphilis tongue and tell lie for me.